Yeah, so just figured I'd make a quick video. If you got a C6 vet and you're looking to get new reflectors with the LED bar in them, they only make them in clear or smoked. So if you want to get the LED thing, but you still want to keep the factory look, this is how we do it. All right, so first, go ahead and get your LED side markers. Now this will probably work on the smoke too, but I went ahead and got the clear just in case. But this is some red headlight and taillight lens tint. So you just get this. It's come with a clear cover on this, so you just peel this off till you get straight to the lens. And this is got a clear liner on it as well, one on both sides. So you just peel off the side on the sticky side, whichever side that is for you. And you lay this on here, and I was gonna wrap it all the way around, but it's not really gonna be seen the way the reflector is set up. So I just trim it as close to the edge as possible. I still gotta heat this edge down a little bit, but once you get that on there, you should end up with almost factory looking set. All right, so I did another video on this, but just in case you missed it and you're watching this one, it's a T15 Torx that, I'll show you on this one. So it's T15 Torx that's up there. Get this outside tail light out, same on that side, and the reflector will be over there. So it's just these two little push-in things. So snaps right in place. You just put the front in and you'll snap it in. I'm gonna go ahead and get the wire for this bulb through on the outside. So since this has to tuck in and be just right, I want to get that out the way while I'm in an area, where I got room to reach. But you don't need this bulb anymore because it's all LED. So this will plug in and replace the bulb. I believe this light color wire is the positive, but just double check. If you hook it up and it doesn't work, unplug it, turn it around, plug it the other way. All right, I was correct. So the light color wire is the positive. So light is off right now, but you see this side right there compared to the factory side right here. So the red lens tint looks pretty good, does its job. And like I said, you don't have to wrap it all the way around. If you just trim it right on the edge, the way it's set up, you don't really see that side edge, so it's not gonna look like it's light or anything. But this is with the light on. So compared to the original, so much better. Still looks sort of factory, so you don't have that clear marker standing out, or like a black one if you don't have a blacked out car, because nothing on here is blacked out. So chrome wheels, no tint, yeah, carbon there, so it's nothing blacked out. So didn't really make sense to go with the blacked out markers on here. Tail light still red, so nice alternative to what's out there. But I'm gonna do the same for the front, and I'll come back once you can see what that looks like compared to the factory. All right, so We are back. This is the front. Now, the amber lens tint is more yellow than orange, like the factory, but still looks like a factory reflector though, like factory for something. Most cars, you know, it's got yellow reflectors, so this should look, you know, to the average person should look like factory until the LED lights come on. Now, I can't light these up yet because I'm not done putting the bumper back on at all. And I guess I could snap one in there, but it won't be in the bumper. So I'll plug this up real quick so you can see how this one lights up and lights through the tint. All right, here we go. Light is on and looking like factory. So that's it in the shadow, so you can see in the light, but yeah, looks like factory, and you can't buy them like that. So pretty dope. So this will be like a, for the time being, a one of one until one of y'all decides to do it. But yeah, that's what we got so far. Now yeah, this is it for this video. So check into the next ones or the previous ones. I got some LED lights in here that light up, so I'll show you how to do those. And then I got another video of doing these. So yeah, check that out.